Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up coaching in your Teachable account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up coaching in your Teachable account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that sometimes your students are willing or want to pay for one-on-one coaching. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up coaching, here on the left side, you're going to click on the coaching button. It looks like a little calendar next to it. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this turquoise button, Create Coaching. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you click there, they're going to ask for a name for this particular coaching product. Don't worry, you can have more than one coaching product. So let's say YouTube consultation. Okay, and then you want to click on continue. Okay, next you get these three options. So you can set up what's called an intake form. So if you have coaching available and you have a huge audience, you'll have people try to join in on your coaching when they're not really your target customer, or they're not really going to benefit from a one-on-one coaching. So to help prevent that, you can set up an intake form that they have to fill out, and that way you can have the information before the coaching is set up. You can also set up an intake form that you have to approve before they can continue on with the checkout. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just do a regular intake form without approval and then click on continue. Okay, here you can go ahead and set a price. So is your coaching free? Is it going to be a monthly fee, a payment plan? So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to set up a one-time purchase. So if they're going to set up a one-on-one call with me, they're going to pay one price. So I'm going to click continue. Okay, here you can go ahead and set up the purchase. So let's say it's at $9.99 for a one-time coaching with me. And let's see, half off this month, usually $2,000. Okay, here you can fill this out. This includes one-on-one coaching for 1 hour with me personal. Okay, here you can go ahead and set some restrictions on this coaching. So we can go ahead and cap it. Number of enrollments, let's just say there's only 2. And let's say this is going to expire in 30 days. So let's see here, May 11th. Okay, so if you've already set up the payments inside your account, you can choose to turn on buy now, pay later. So for example, if you have a high ticket, sometimes people can split this up into smaller chunks, and that we can help convert some of your audience. I'm going to go ahead and leave that off, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so you can go ahead and set when they have access to the coaching space. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and leave it once they enroll. Or if you're going to have like a group call, you can do it every Wednesday or every Thursday. You can go ahead and set that up here by clicking on here and then choosing the date. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it at on the enrollment date. Okay, so here you want to go ahead and set this up. So this is a first milestone. So this is basically them signing up for your coaching. You are in for a wonderful ride. Thanks for the money. Okay, in here you can go ahead and have them schedule the coaching as well. So you can turn this on, and then you can go ahead and add a calendar link right here. So maybe it's going to be Calendly. Just add that in here, and that way they can click into it and then schedule the coaching. I'm going to turn the scheduling off, and I'm going to click on finish. Okay, quick second later, I get this pop-up saying that my coaching has been created. So let me go ahead and click continue. Okay, so now we can go ahead and edit the consultation. So we can edit a thumbnail. So let me go ahead and upload an image. Okay, I'm going to choose an image from my desktop. Okay, I'm uploading an image right now. This is going to be my thumbnail. Of course, you want to have something that's a little bit more related to what your thing is offering. Okay, you want to go ahead and scroll down and then make sure that you've filled out the author. So if you have more than one coach inside of your Teachable, you want to choose the author of this particular coaching. And then once you have that filled out, click on publish here at the top right. Okay, so now it is published. So if you want to get the link to this coaching, here on the left, click on pages. Okay, so here is the sales page. So you can see it's published right here. And what you can do is click right here on these 3 dots and then copy the URL. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so here's my coaching offering right here. So $9.99, and I'm going to click on it. Okay, so here's the landing page for my coaching. So you can see we can go ahead and go in here and edit this and craft it around whatever my product is. And let me go back here to Teachable. Now, if you need help finding this particular link, you can always come back here on the left side and then click on coaching. Okay, so once you're here in coaching, here is my consultation right here. So let's go ahead and click on the name of the coaching. All right, once you're in here, you're back to the home page, and just click here on pages, and you can copy the link right here. Now, if you want to edit the page itself for your coaching, just click here on edit. Okay, once you're in here, you can go ahead and edit the landing page for your coaching program. Coach with Anthony. Okay, and you see it's just like setting up a Facebook page. Just go in here and change this. You can go ahead and replace the image. Let's go ahead and change this over to those tacos. Okay, so here's some different tacos. Okay, now you see it's updated. And then you want to click on update here on the top right. And then let's go back. Okay, here we are back in the admin. So I'm going to show you what it looks like to a user. There you have it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up coaching inside of your Teachable account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.